Hey guys, it's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make a cover for a Snuggle Me Organic baby lounger. I am prepping for my baby to be coming soon, and I have a Snuggle Me, and I decided I wanted an extra cover for it, so I made one. And I'm going to walk you through how I did it so that you can make some covers for yourself as well. So you will need 1.5 yards of non-stretch fabric. I found mine in the discount section and I got mine for a total of $13, which is a steal. If you were to purchase one of these covers, they come out to anywhere from $35 to $55. So $13 by contrast is a way better deal. And then this is how you will lay out and cut out the pieces of your fabric. So you're going to lay out your fabric totally flat, and then you are going to cut out 3 pieces. You will have a front piece that's 34 inches long by 23 inches wide, and then 2 back pieces that are going to be 23-inch squares. So basically, like I showed before, just lay out all of your fabric. It would be best to do this on the floor, but I am very pregnant and so I'm doing this on the table. So just roughly measure out all of the pieces into the squares or rectangles that you need in the sizes that you need. And again, you'll come out with 3 total pieces. Once you have all of the pieces that you need, I used my rotary cutter just to make sure that everything was nice and straight and even. This is what worked best for me. And then you will do that for all of the different sides, again, making sure that everything is nice and even and you don't have anything fraying or cut wonky. Once all of your edges are nice and straight, you're going to start rounding out the corners of your panels. So you'll round out 2 of the corners of the back panel and all 4 corners of the front panel. I do have a template that you can use to get the proper roundness for your panels. I started off using a plate, but it just wasn't quite enough. So through some trial and error, I was able to get a nice template roundness for you guys. So you'll have 1 front panel and then you will have 2 back panels. For the back panels, you are going to fold up the straight edge twice. So you're going to make a double folded hem for the opening for the back of our lounger. So I'm just doing a 1-inch double folded hem, so fold it up 1 inch and then fold it up another inch and then pin it, iron it, and just use a small seam allowance to secure that. Once you have your double folded hem all ready and done, you're going to first lay out your front panel and then you are going to layer on the back panels. So I put the front panel down and then the right back panel and then the left back panel, and you're going to line up and match all of the perimeter of your fabric because you are going to have some overlap, which is great because that will make us a little pocket opening so that we can slide our lounger in. And then I'm just pinning really nice and securely all the way around, and I'm even pinning in the center just to make sure that nothing is wiggling or moving as I go to sew it. And then you can just do a normal 1/2 inch seam allowance to sew and secure all the way around the perimeter of your lounger. And whenever you are done sewing it, I went ahead and finished off those raw edges with a serger once I was happy with the fit to my lounger. Once the serging was complete, this is how it looks. It is all finished up and I am in love with how it turned out. The color is so nice and I'm really happy with how it fits the lounger, and I am so excited for my little sweet baby to use this. I hope that you love this tutorial and I will see you in the next one.